on the beat.
Good morning guys, it's Sunday morning today and kailangan kong tumayo ng maaga, which is it's actually 8:56, so hindi na yun maaga sa iba. It's actually late na, but I have to make what do you call this one here, sopas. So I just took out one chicken breast kasi may sakit si boyfriend. So right now I will be making coffee. It's actually a brewed coffee. I stopped drinking instant because they said it's not good, but kasi yun yung kinalakihan ko, so laging instant. Magpapakulo na lang ako ng water, so I don't actually use this a lot now, just last night because I want to drink hot chocolate. So this is what I'm gonna use to put the coffee. So ako lang umiinom ng coffee dito. So what are we gonna do is just gonna have to put water in it. Gotta make sure nandito to para so I actually make 1.5 cups. Yung ginagamit ko yung the measurement is just up to 4 dito sa guhit na to, so nagamit ko na yung malaki kong mug, so I'm gonna have to use a small mug, so it'll make me 2 cups. So because it's a brewed coffee, I'm gonna do more strong shot. So this is the filter. We need a filter to put on the coffee. So ilalagay siya dito. Over 2. I just need 1. Balik natin. Sayang naman. Although mura siya. Sayang naman. If you can save, save. So this one, what I'm using is it's a Guatemala Antigua. It's from Starbucks. It's a medium roast. So I got this last Christmas. Binigyan ako ng gift card ng mga boss. Some of my boss. Actually, I don't have one, but I consider them as my boss kasi I don't know. They have more higher position than me, and they're really nice people. So this is actually it's just a 1 tablespoon. Dati linalagay ko 2, but it's too strong for me, so I just put it like that. Para hindi siya matapang sa akin. Kasi last time when I put a lot, nagkaroon ako ng migraine, too much caffeine, na-trigger siya, so I couldn't go to work for 2 days. So because this one is set, make sure this one wala siya dito. Dapat nandito siya kasi dito lalabas yung tubig and then it will go all the way there. So close this, and boyfriend already set this up for me. Binili niya talaga to para sa akin. So you just have to press this and you just have to wait. So I put a little bit of water para hindi ma-burn yung chicken, and it's on a medium heat. And then also this is the coffee. So kung nakikita nyo yung tubig lumalabas na dito. So it's really a good machine. It's pretty cheap too. I don't remember how much it is because they gave us a gift card. So yeah, we always get a gift card on Christmas. So this frozen chicken, it will go here, and we will wait for it to boil. And then we're probably gonna have to go grab a chicken broth. We can take chicken broth. What else? Chicken broth. Let's see, what pasta do we have? I don't think we have those elbow pasta, but we can use penne. As you can see, we have a lot of pasta because we love pasta. We eat rice, but not all the time. That one, and then also we'll have to go grab, I don't have a lettuce. Ano tawag dito? We don't have tawag dito? Cabbage ba yun? Yeah, cabbage. So I'm just going to put this. I don't know what to make tonight for dinner. It's so full. But let's see what we can make tomorrow. I mean later. And gotta go grab a butter. And today it's cleaning day today. So that's it. Hintayin lang natin to. And before waiting, I should like go grab. This is one of my favorite. Senators. See, I like this one. So, titingnan natin kung anong weather. Kung anong itsura, medyo gloomy siya eh. Oh, it looks cold. As you can see guys, yung mga halaman na yung pinutol, yung napakalaking halaman dyan. Nakita ko yung last summer, as in, na ano siya, pinaalis niya talaga. So one day, magiging maayos na to. So, yeah. Oops. That is done. I have to go grab this milk because I'm lactose intolerant. So we have to get the one that is lactose free. Kung hindi, patay tayo dyan. Tatawagan tayo ng kalikasan. So what I do, I love to put milk here first, or I don't care, milk first or coffee first. I don't mind. Some people, they want coffee first and then milk. Buksan natin itong mga blinds here. Parang ano siya, maliwanag siya. Kasi hindi maganda yung lighting ko. So, I don't have a choice, is to find a way to have a nice lighting. So, buksan ko na rin to. Yeah. There we go. Ito pa paano kaya ito? There we go. So, kumukulo na siya. You can just go grab. Baliktarin natin. Dumikit siya. There you go. And malapit na siyang matapos. I bought this from we bought it from Canadian Tire. So we use our gift card to avail this item. Together with that popcorn maker down there. Ito hindi namin ito ginagamit. So it's very luma na. Right now guys, nahimay ko na yung chicken, which is hindi siya, meron pang pink term, but it's okay. Maluluto naman siya ulit. And I didn't use my hand to himayin. I don't know how to shred it, something like that. But I used this kasi malambot na yung chicken. So, ginanon-ganon ko na lang para mas madali. Para hindi siya, tawag dito, maduming gawin. So, I'm going to use the same pot. Pinapatayo ko lang because I'm going to put the butter on it. Actually, pwede na ba yan? Oh yeah, this is gonna work. So let's put the butter. There you go. So putting that butter. I'm missing some of the ingredients, so but it's okay. And we don't put hot dog on it because we don't eat hot dog here. Or maybe pag uwi ko kakain ako ng hot dog because I miss it so much. They call it red hot dog. We have some in here, but they sell it too much. Like it's a lot of money. Medyo namamahalan. Kasi yung ibang mga Pilipino, they take advantage. They will sell you this and they will charge you a lot. Oops. Sorry about that. Sorry sa mga ibang mga Pinoy na nag-charge ng too much money. But I understand the situation, but you know, you gotta be a good businessman somehow. You know? So nagisa ko na yung carrots and chicken, and then I put 6 cups of water in this one, and then on this one, in this one, whatever, and then I put a chicken broth. So hayan ko muna siyang kumulo para malasaw siya. And yeah, let's wait and see kung ano yung nagiging itsura niya mamaya. I hope it tastes good. Just grilling the bacon as well para isahang luto na lang kasi meron pang natira kahapon kasi yung isang package before we used to finish it. We used to eat 2 packages on the weekends, so 1 for Saturday and 1 for Sunday, which is not good. Lalo na parito and very greasy, so we decided to every time we eat bacon, we usually just eat bacon on the weekends. But every time we eat bacon on the weekends, ang pinag-usapan namin is 3 pieces each para healthy. And when we eat bacon in the morning, we have some eggs and hash browns as well. So, but he might not eat this. I might not eat it. I might eat the sopas. So I'm making this one para mamaya makapagluto ako ng pasta. So, and that's one of his favorite as well. Malapit na siyang kumulo. We will have to put the pasta, the penne pasta. We call it penne. I know this is, yeah, it's penne. So, kung hindi mo alam yung measurement, because it's just the 2 of us, para hindi sumobra yung pasta, ang gawin mo, kumuha ka ng kung ano yung gagamitin mong bowl. So, i-measure mo siya. So, let's say this is for him. So, kapag gumulo siya, you have to put it in there and then you make another one. Or you can make 1 full, and then a half of that. So, para walang masayang na pasta. Kasi sometimes nasasayang siya, diba? Sumusobra. So, tapos nakukonsume yung na-absorb na yung sauce. So, nawawalan siya ng lasa sometimes. So, yeah, that's a good tip to do. Natutunan ko yan sa mga Italian people na kung saan ako nagtrabaho dati nung bago-bago pa ako dito sa Canada. So, this, it's almost cooked. So, natikman ko naman siya. At napakasarap naman niya. In fairness, ha? Naalala ko yung mga ibang tao sinasabi, oh no, she can't cook, she can't cook. Alright. Okay, fine. I can't cook. Whatever. You can say whatever you want. But I think I can. It's just a matter of learning. Sabi nga nila. You know the reason why I can't cook before? Because I don't have my own kitchen. I don't have the proper tools and the ingredients. So, especially back home, kahit gusto mo kumain ng ganito, hindi mo siya makain. Imbes na gawin mo yon, ipapakain mo na lang sa buong family, right? So, different circumstances and situation. So, don't judge people easily like that. It's not because you don't see the person cooking, that doesn't mean that person can do that, can do anything. You'll never know, that person is more smarter than you, right? So, just gonna make sure these bacons are crunchy. We always use this grilling pan because kapag ginagamit natin tong pan na to, parang na barbecue yung bacon. And anything, even if you want to make a steak or grilled chicken, we use this and it turns out really good. So para-paraan lang yan, especially if it's winter, you can barbecue outside. Well, you can, but it's up to you, right? Because it's pretty cold, so mamimilig kasi talaga sa labas. So now that it's cooked, I'm about to go to eat. Bumaba si boyfriend and he's still not feeling well, so bumalik siya sa bed to get some more sleep. So I'll go eat first then para makapaglinis tayo. Okay, so I have my iPad here because I will be I want to see my videos, and let's see what I can edit later. So mahilig akong manood sa mga ibang YouTube channels as well, like lalo na yung mga kapwa Filipino. I'm so proud of them. Silang lahat, gusto ko lahat sila. I don't have any yung hate ko, I don't have that, but because ang dami mong natututunan. So I'm just gonna go eat and then I'll talk to you later.